What is up, people? It's your boy Mighty Reds, and in this review we will test how to get the latest working rival scripts for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys, and click on browse scripts and search for rivals. Okay, there we go. I missed it. So click there, guys. It will load up and then we will enter our Roblox username. So it's the only thing that we will actually enter here. So guys, you don't have to worry about this. It's the only thing that we will actually enter here. So I will continue with my username, click connect account. It will start fetching our Roblox profile. And guys, you should get this confirmation. So if it's your account, just click yes, connect, and that's pretty much it. We're successfully connected. So guys, now we will have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to use those scripts. But don't worry, because we can import newest Delta executor. So if you already have Delta executor, just make sure to select yes. If you already have a different executor, just select I already have a different executor. So I currently have no. So I will import newest Delta executor and you will get this option, guys. So click there and then we will select our scripts that we would like to get along our Delta. So I will get NICUs, Solix Hub, and Overflow, for example. These three scripts, guys, you can Google them and see what they do. So I will continue with these three, click continue. It will start connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. And look at this. API is connected, our three scripts selected already, and our activation key is there as well. Nice, guys. So now we will have to click I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we will get. So we should get verified. Nice, guys. Look at this. Verification successful. Our user account and our key is connected. Look at this, guys. Finally, and we got it fully unrevealed. So guys, you might be asked to complete two simple tasks before you get this verification successful screen. I already did it. So if you get this, just complete this and you will get this verification successful and you will get your rival script into your Roblox. So now, guys, we will open our Roblox and we will make sure that we will actually get Delta executor with key and three scripts selected. So let's open our rivals. Let's click play and let's see, guys, are we actually getting our Delta? Nice, guys. Look at this. Please wait a while. We actually getting our Delta for absolutely free. Look at this. Thank you for using Delta. And now we will select, guys, we will check, are we actually getting our three scripts selected? It's the most important step. So we should get, nice, guys, Solix, NICUs, and Overflow just as we selected. Let's click play, guys, and let's find a game so we make sure that we will actually get this working scripts. So we got everything imported within a minute. So at the moment when we got successful message on the Bloxforge, in that moment it was injected here. So let's see, guys, let's start the game and then we will start some scripts and we will test and make sure that it's actually working. So let's see. Okay, game has started and I will click on Solix Hub, for example, guys, and let's see, are we actually getting it? So okay, guys, look at this. We got our Solix Hub script working. Amazing. Look at this. Aimbot, guys. You can touch and you can setting up. You can enable range. Just click here, guys, and you can enable literally everything. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It will automatically kill them all. Oh my god. Look at this. So you can do literally whatever you like, guys. I'm so excited because it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, bloxforge.com was the only working so far. Look at this. You can do whatever you like. You have literally a lot of options. You can fly as well, guys. Look at this. Nice. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. Guys, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.